In this video, we're going to discuss 5 things you need to remove from your home right away because they can bring in poverty and cause your life to feel stuck. It's really important that you listen closely to what I'm about to share. If you feel like you're in a rut and your goals always seem just out of reach, it might be because of one or more of these 5 things. I'll go over each one and explain why it's so important to get rid of them. But before we dive in, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with anyone you care about who wants to improve their life. Leave a comment below about how ready you are to receive blessings from the universe, and take a moment to express gratitude for all you have. Let your words send out positive energy, drawing in everything you want. If you're skeptical that your life can be changed with the law of attraction, this video might not be for you. But if you're open to it, watch until the end so you can fully understand what I'm sharing and make sure you get the results you're looking for. First, it's crucial to understand that everything around us is made up of energy. From you to every object in your home, everything has an energetic vibration that can either help you move forward or hold you back. When I realized this, I started to carefully look at everything I owned and noticed that many items were connected to my past. By getting rid of these things, I began to see incredible changes in my life that I never thought possible. Take a moment to focus because this information is very powerful. If you apply it to your life, you too will see amazing results. The 5 things I'm about to mention are connected to the concept of vibration. Let's start with the first item you should remove from your home: clothes you no longer wear. Every piece of clothing you buy carries a specific energy that aligns with where you were in life at that time. Think about it. You've probably bought clothes that you loved and wore all the time, but then one day you just stopped wearing them. Why? It's because you've changed. We're always growing and evolving, and what you once liked might no longer suit who you are now. The clothes you no longer wear hold the energy of your past, which doesn't match your current energy. Holding onto these clothes can keep you stuck, so it's important to clear out your closet and keep only the clothes that make you feel happy, comfortable, and confident when you wear them. If the clothes you no longer wear are still in good condition, consider donating them. If not, it's okay to throw them away. Before you do, take a moment to do something meaningful. Hold each piece of clothing and say thank you for the memories and the time you spent together. Each item of clothing carries energy, and it's important to close that chapter with gratitude. When you wore those clothes, they likely brought joy into your life. By saying thank you, you release that energy and make space for new positive energy to enter your life. Doing this will help you create a fresh start and welcome new, exciting experiences into your life. The second thing that can block your energy is having broken objects in your home. This can include anything from a kitchen tool to a decorative item like a vase, mirror, or painting. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and it's important to take good care of it. When you keep broken items around, they can interfere with the flow of positive energy. A broken plate, a chipped vase, or a cracked mirror might seem insignificant, but these things carry negative vibrations that can affect your well-being. Instead of trying to fix these broken items by gluing them back together, it's better to let them go. Once something is broken, it loses its original strength and energy, becoming a block to positive energy. Just like you did with clothes you no longer wear, say goodbye to broken objects with gratitude. Thank them for the service they provided and the role they played in your life. Take a moment to recognize the memories and moments connected to them, then dispose of them properly. This act of gratitude helps release any lingering energy the object might hold and makes room for new, positive energy to flow into your home. When you remove broken objects from your living space, you'll notice a significant difference. Your home will feel lighter, more peaceful, and welcoming. The energy will flow more freely, and you'll feel a renewed sense of clarity and calm. It's important to regularly check your home for any broken items and deal with them quickly. By keeping a clean, well-maintained home, you create an environment that supports your well-being and personal growth. Your home reflects your state of mind, so keeping it free from broken objects is a simple yet powerful way to boost the positive energy in your life. Embrace this practice and see the transformation it brings to your living space and your overall sense of happiness and balance. The third thing to think about is your dirty or worn-out shoes. One of my most influential metaphysics teachers taught me that your life's journey is reflected in the shoes you wear. Shoes are more than just something you put on your feet. They carry energy and can impact the direction of your life. That's why it's so important to keep them clean and in good condition. When you get home, make it a habit to clean your shoes. This simple action helps prevent any negative or outside energy that your shoes might have picked up from entering your home, which should be treated like your personal sanctuary. Consider this. If your shoes are dirty and worn out, do you want that energy to create obstacles in your life? Probably not. Keeping your shoes in good shape is like making sure your life's journey is smooth and filled with positive energy. If your shoes are beyond repair and too worn out, it's best to replace them with new ones. New shoes not only provide physical comfort, but also represent a fresh start and a clear path ahead. Your shoes carry you through your daily life, absorbing energy from every place you go. That's a big responsibility, so it's important to take care of them. Maintaining clean and well-kept shoes is a small but powerful habit. When you take the time to clean your shoes regularly, you're not just taking care of an accessory, you're nurturing your life's journey. It's a simple daily routine that brings positive energy into your home and helps you move forward with confidence and clarity. So, the next time you come home, take a moment to clean your shoes. Check them for any wear and tear, and if they need replacing, don't hesitate to get new ones. By doing this, you make sure your life's journey remains smooth and positive. Remember, a clean and well-maintained pair of shoes is more than just about looking good. It's a reflection of your life's path and the energy you carry with you. The fourth thing you should consider removing from your home is something that many people find difficult to let go of. Items and clothing that belong to people who are no longer with you, particularly those who have passed away. While it's natural to want to hold on to memories, it's important to remember that those memories live on in your mind and heart. The physical objects are just energy tied to the past. If someone is no longer in your life, it's important to let go of their belongings. Allow their spirit to continue its journey without holding on to their possessions. Keeping these items can create emotional stagnation in your home, blocking new, positive energy from entering your life. Instead, focus on surrounding yourself with things that are part of your present life. The past is gone and doesn't exist in the physical world anymore. As the saying goes, let the dead bury their own dead. By releasing these objects, you open up space for new memories and experiences that resonate with who you are now. This doesn't mean you forget the people you've lost. It means you honor them by letting go and moving forward. Keeping your home free from past energies helps create a fresh and lively environment, allowing you to grow and invite positive changes into your life. The fifth and final thing you should remove from your home is clutter. The energy in your space needs to flow freely, and the less clutter you have, the better the energy will circulate. Keep your home organized, open the windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, and avoid leaving things lying around. Add beautiful plants that bring joy to your heart, and make your bed every morning, thanking it for the rest it provides. Remember, everything carries energy. Focus on making your home as peaceful and harmonious as possible. It's not about having luxury, but about keeping energy in motion. When your home is clean and orderly, you'll feel a significant change. You'll feel lighter, and you'll notice how issues in your life start to resolve themselves. Let the energy flow, and your life will transform. Don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself. A wise metaphysics teacher once told me, if you want your present to be wonderful, you must let go of the past. Clean your home, Clear out all the negative energy that no longer serves you, and soon you'll start to see miracles happen. As we wrap up this video, remember that the state of our home has a powerful impact on our energy and overall well-being. It's amazing how small changes in our surroundings can make such a big difference in our lives. By clearing out things like clothes you no longer wear, broken objects, and items connected to loved ones who have passed, you make room for positive energy to flow freely. This shows us that everything around us holds energy. It's like a dance between our environment and our own energy. When we choose to fill our space with things that reflect who we are now, we open the door to incredible transformations. Saying goodbye to old belongings with gratitude honors the role they played in our lives and welcomes a new chapter. It's also deeply satisfying to clear out clutter and create space for things that truly bring us joy and resonate with us. Creating a harmonious and lively home isn't about having the perfect or most expensive decor. It's about filling our space with positive energy. Whether it's by letting fresh air and sunlight in through open windows, adding beautiful plants, or simply keeping things tidy, these small but meaningful steps invite miracles into our lives. It's like a chain reaction. As we align our physical environment with our energy, we start to experience positive changes and a sense of lightness. It's an exciting journey of self-discovery and intentional living. So, I encourage you to take action and start creating a space that nourishes your spirit and supports your growth. Watch how these changes ripple out into other areas of your life. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and by harmonizing its energy, you're setting the stage for amazing things to happen. Let's embrace the power of our environment, let positive energy flow, and watch the magic unfold in our lives. If you found this information helpful, please leave a comment, like the video, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel to keep learning. Until next time, may you be blessed with peace and happiness. Thank you for watching.